Have you known about a window? Not the window which you look through. It is a fertility window. I am Dr. Sudharani, Senior Consultant, Birthright Fertility by Rainbow Hospitals, Banjara Hills. Fertility window are nothing but the limited number and most fertile days of a woman's menstrual cycle. Those are the days where she has the highest chance of conception. Now, why? Because at that time, during those days, is the egg which is formed during the initial part of the cycle gets released out, and that's when couple stays together, has an intercourse, have a high chance of conception. In a menstrual cycle, identifying fertile window is very important for a couple to plan their pregnancy. That's the window which they have to avoid. An egg which, when it comes out, stays in a woman's body alive for about 16 to 20 hours. During that time, when the sperm reaches it, there is a chance of fertilization and her conception. A man's sperm can live in a woman's body for about at least 72 to 120 hours, which is 3 to 8 days. Whenever there is an ovulation, the sperm always will be in woman's body to fertilize, to reach the egg and fertilize it, and which can result in a pregnancy. So identifying these fertile days are very important. People who have regular cycles like 28 days, the last days after ovulation is fixed, which is 14 days. So when you minus 14 from 28, you will get what is the approximate date when the egg release is going to happen. So you can always plan a pregnancy accordingly. When there is a 30-day cycle, minus 14 is day 16. The woman is releasing the egg at day 16. A fertile window is at least 2 days before to 2 days later after the ovulation. How can you identify a fertility window? Around the time of ovulation, there are some tests which you can do wherein you can identify your fertility window or the ovulation time. A woman starts experiencing vaginal discharges which are sticky and stretchy like egg white. Those are her ovulatory days and they correspond to the fertile window. Women can also test her urine to check for ovulation. A tool and something very similar to a pregnancy testing kit. A tool line in the kit identifies the ovulation time. The most accurate way of finding the ovulation is an ultrasound. A couple can be educated about finding their own fertile window wherein they can stay together for conceiving. After listening to the women's menstrual cycle history and all, fertility specialists can tell you exactly what are the right days for the intercourse for conception, or right days which mean the most fertile days or the fertile window. Do visit your fertility specialist who can actually go through your history and let you know what is your fertile window so that it helps in conceiving. Thank you.